Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix this account might include sensitive content problem. You can't fix this problem from your X application. So to do this, first open your browser and log in your X account. After logging your X account, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Content You See. Now turn on Sensitive Content. And now go back to your X application. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.